What do Canada and Brazil have in common? Okay, I'll tell you. The North Pole. Not that North Pole. This North Pole. Our founders of Toco Cachaça are actually from Canada, and they decided to replace the sugar of a caipirinha with maple syrup, creating this seasonal cocktail appropriately named the North Pole. You may recognize some of the ingredients or what it looks like as being kind of a twist on the traditional American old-fashioned, so we're hitting 3 countries with 1 drink. We're inclusive like that. Want to learn how to make it? You definitely do. So to make the North Pole, we take 4 dashes of Angostura bitters, right there into the glass. Then we're gonna take a 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. Reminds me of pancakes in the morning, right? Throw that right in there. And then, of course, we are going to take 2 ounces of our Toco Cachaça, add that in, fill with ice. Then we take our bar spoon and we mix it really well. There we go. And then we top it off with ice. Take an orange and a knife and make a peel, pulling forward towards your body. Create a nice peel, like this. Get the outside rind around the glass. Twist, and add it to the glass. Pretty, right? Let's take a sip. Reminds me of Christmas in July, or October, to be exact. Anyway, cheers!